Ever wonder who's the real wizard behind successful projects, ensuring everything runs smoothly and on schedule? Yes, you guessed it, it's the iteration manager. These unsung heroes of the corporate world are the glue that holds every project together, juggling a myriad of responsibilities from planning to execution. We're about to embark on an enlightening journey, exploring the ins and outs of this pivotal role. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of iteration managers. So what does an iteration manager do exactly? Well, think of them as the puppet master behind the stage of a successful project. They are responsible for planning and coordinating each iteration or phase of the project, making sure every part runs smoothly and on time. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece represents a task or a team member. The iteration manager's job is to ensure that all these pieces fit together perfectly, forming a complete picture. They work closely with the project team, guiding them through each iteration, addressing roadblocks, and keeping everyone focused on the end goal. But their job doesn't end there. They also need to look at the bigger picture, understanding how each iteration fits into the broader project landscape. They need to balance the needs of the current iteration with the long-term objectives of the project. Being an iteration manager is like being the conductor of a symphony, ensuring every section comes in at precisely the right moment. Does the role of an iteration manager sound intriguing? Let's look at the skills you need and the challenges you might face. To excel in this role, you'll need a diverse skill set. First and foremost, you need to be a master of coordination. You'll be overseeing multiple tasks, team members, and timelines, ensuring everything runs smoothly. You also need excellent communication skills to effectively relay information between your team and stakeholders. Another crucial skill is problem solving. You'll often find yourself in situations where you need to quickly find solutions to keep the project on track. This brings us to the ability to work under pressure. With deadlines looming and unexpected hurdles arising, maintaining composure is key. Now, let's talk about the tools of the trade. As an iteration manager, you'll likely use project management software like Jira or Trello to manage tasks and track progress. You might also use communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams to keep everyone on the same page. But like any role, there are challenges. One common challenge is managing scope creep. This happens when the project's scope expands beyond its original objectives. It's like trying to hit a moving target. You'll need to keep a close eye on the project's goals and ensure they don't get out of hand. Another challenge is ensuring clear and effective communication across the team. Misunderstandings can lead to delays and errors, so it's vital to keep the lines of communication open and clear. As an iteration manager, you'll need to be a master of coordination and communication, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. So we've talked about the role, the responsibilities, the skills, and the challenges. But what's in it for you? Let's delve into the rewards and opportunities that come with being an iteration manager. First off, the compensation is competitive, reflecting the value that you bring to the table. And it's not just about the financial rewards. You'll also enjoy a flexible work schedule, allowing you to balance your personal life and professional commitments. Moreover, the status that comes with this role is significant. As an iteration manager, you'll be a key player in your organization, helping drive projects to success and shaping the future of the company. But it doesn't stop there. This role opens up a world of opportunities for career progression. You could move into senior management roles or even branch out into related fields like project or program management. As an iteration manager, not only will you enjoy a rewarding career, but you'll also have a critical role in shaping successful projects. Intrigued by the world of iteration managers? We've journeyed through the role's responsibilities, the skills and tools you'll need, the challenges you might face, and the rewards and opportunities that await. It's a role that calls for a strategic mindset, strong communication skills, and a knack for problem solving. But the payoff? A fulfilling career with competitive salary, flexible work schedule, and plenty of opportunities for growth. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you considering this path? Do you have experiences or questions to share? Your input enriches our community dialogue and could inspire someone else on their journey. Don't let the conversation end here. Subscribe to stay updated with fresh insights, tips, and discussions. Check out our other content for more illuminating career guides. Join us in our next video as we continue to demystify the world of project management. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, your journey into the world of project management is just one click away.